Some homes are bought, some homes are kept. For more than 40 years, this one stayed in the same family, and now, for the first time in decades, it's ready for its next chapter. Welcome to 2675 Ocean Avenue, apartment 5P, a true Brooklyn one-bedroom, 750 square feet, real rooms, real separation, real space. The kind of layout that feels increasingly rare. The living room opens with scale. There's room to breathe, there's room to host, there's room to actually live. Not just fit furniture, but live. The bedroom is generous, quiet, private, comfortably sized for a full king setup with room left over. The bathroom has already been thoughtfully updated, and the kitchen, still original, still solid, still waiting for the next owner to make it their own. And it has plenty of room. That's the opportunity here. You're not paying a premium for someone else's taste. You get space, layout, building, location, and the ability to create value over time. The kitchen looks out to the quiet courtyard in the rear. The rest of the home faces the side street, giving you separation from the energy of Ocean Avenue. Inside the building, you have elevator access, on-site laundry, and parking available through waitlist. And outside, you're in one of Brooklyn's most convenient pockets. Minutes to shopping, restaurants, everyday essentials, easy access to transportation for a smooth commute. This is the kind of home that first-time buyers wait for. Stable, smartly priced, and full of upside. A home with history and room for the next story to begin. Listed by Joseph Ranola with the Bridge and Boro team at Real Broker.